welcome back to our channel. Today is Saturday, February 20th, and we are back up north. We're gonna do a fun ice fishing weekend, so come along on this adventure with us. So we just got here and Matt is taking the snowmobile out of the trailer. We do have to snowmobile in just a short time. I'll put a link up above of some of our other snowmobile trips, especially the one that we just took in January, so you can kind of see a little bit of how we get up here in the wintertime. Car is still on because the dog stays nice and toasty warm in the truck. So as soon as Matt gets the snowmobile ready, we'll head on off. So another reason why I'm vlogging this weekend is because for my birthday this past week, Matt got me a new GoPro. So I am going to test out the GoPro when we go snowmobiling. I'm still learning how to use it and all the bells and whistles, so it's kind of a work in progress, but we will see how much fun it is and see what kind of footage we get with it. So actually, before we can start hauling our gear, Matt just left to go break trail. We've actually gotten a lot more snow since last time we were up here. So because we got a lot more snow, the trail from where we parked to where our cabin is a little bit deep with snow. So he just thought it would be best just to break trail a little bit. So while he's gone, I'm gonna get ready and get the dog all packed up and ready to go for the very short distance from here to our cabin. And we are here. So awesome story, when Matt was breaking trail, he actually ended up running into two moose. It was a mom and her baby, and it was right on the trail. And he said he had to stop, and he was yelling at them, and they just like would not move. He couldn't go around them because they were right on the snowmobile trail. So he came back and he said, okay, let's pack up the dog, but get your camera ready because they might still be there. Well, they were. I hope I got it on video. I'll post it right after this. It was really hard for me to try to see through the woods because they did kind of run off into the woods a little bit. So hopefully I'll be able to show you, but what an amazing experience. So right now Matt's downstairs shoveling. I am unpacking everything. As you can tell, it's like super cold up here. We have the fire started, so it should get all nice and toasty warm, and we're gonna head on out to the ice shack while the cabin gets all warm. So here we are, we have our ice shack all set up. Everything is all set up inside, including our fishing holes. We're all ready to go for the day. And here is our setup. We have a nice little heater right here, so it keeps the ice shack nice and toasty warm. There's our depth finder and our fishing holes, and we already have our fishing lines in. Haven't caught anything quite yet. We just got here. Matt forgot our wine, so this is empty. So he's gonna run back to the cabin and get our wine, which is very important that we have. Matt's running off to get our wine because we forgot our wine. So there he goes. So we just caught a fish. I did not get it on this camera, but I got it on my phone camera for a YouTube short. So now Matt's gonna try to catch it from this hole. We got it from that hole on the far left. And it's what, 13 inches? 12, 13 inches?
Yeah.
What is it, crappie?
Yep.
Nice. So, if you're not already subscribed to our channel, make sure you subscribe because I'll probably be posting a YouTube short of Matt catching the fish. But hopefully I can catch some more on this camera very soon here. So I didn't vlog it, but I actually ran back up to the cabin because it's about 4:15 and we are going to have a roast. So I ended up cutting up some potatoes, put some carrots, and put a roast with the potatoes, obviously, into a big roasting pan. And then I came back to the ice shack. It's about 55 degrees in there, so I probably could have stayed inside the cabin, but I wanted to come back here and ice fish with Matt a little bit more. I will show you a little bit later the finished product of the roast. So I totally missed it. I didn't get my camera in time, but this is a walleye?
Yep.
Late in the game because we are almost ready to pack it up. Yay, we got a walleye. That's a huge fish. That's awesome.
You came in hunting, man.
Yeah. It was so funny because like nothing was coming up on our depth finder, and then all of a sudden this big red blob came up and Matt was like, oh, it's coming, and I could not get my camera in time. So sorry guys, I didn't catch it, but
16.
Got a 16-inch walleye. Still very exciting. So, and I love walleye with the breading that I use. It's very, very good. So I might ask Matt to cook that up tomorrow morning for breakfast. So as promised, here is the porchetta roast. It's actually a pork roast with potatoes and carrots. We put it in the oven at about 400 and it took about an hour and a half. So it is yummy. So that is what we're going to make. It was very easy just to throw in, head on back out to the ice, just came back and it is done. So very easy meal while ice fishing. So hey guys, it is now Sunday, February 21st. Matt and I just got back in our snowmobile gear. We are going to take a ride on some of the trails around us. We might venture a little further than we've gone in the past, but who knows? We don't really have a plan. Also, I'm going to test out my GoPro, so hopefully I get some really good footage. So come along. We just got back from snowmobiling and I got to test out my GoPro really for the first time. It will take me a little bit to get used to it because I don't think I'm used to that kind of vlogging, but it was a lot of fun. I also can see why a lot of people mount the GoPro to their helmets or to the snowmobile. We do have mounts like that. We just didn't get a chance to kind of test them out or put them on or anything, so I was just holding it. So I can see the benefit to mounting because a lot of times it was a little difficult to hold. But I'm gonna learn some more and hopefully bring you guys some really awesome snowmobile or four-wheeler rides when the summer comes in the future with the GoPro. So now we're just gonna have a little breakfast and then pack up and be done for the weekend. So with that being said, I'm actually gonna end the vlog right here. I hope you enjoyed this quick vlog this February for my birthday weekend while we headed here up north. Don't forget to join our adventure family by hitting that subscribe button down below. I hope you are enjoying your week and weekend. Remember, it's a beautiful world out there, so go out there and find your adventure. See you real soon. Bye!